As the Mamelodi Sundowns gear up for their Club World Cup debut on US, the club has named the strong 26-man squad, though not without a few surprising omissions. The tournament officially kicks off this Saturday, and Sundowns are set to face South Korea's Ulsan HG in their opening clash in Orlando, Florida. With national pride on the line, head coach Miguel Cardoso has placed his trust in a mix of seasoned campaigners and rising talents. Veteran playmaker Themba Zwane will captain the side. Ronan Williams, arguably the country's top shot stopper, serving as vice captain. However, the absence of Thapelo Maseko raised eyebrows. The 21-year-old winger who represented Bafana Bafana at the Africa Cup of Nations has been a standard performer and was widely expected to be part of the squad. Maseko's omission comes as a shock to many, especially considering the pace and creativity he brings to the flank, attributes that would have been invaluable in an international competition. Another notable absentee is Argentine midfielder Marcus Escoval. His exclusion is less surprising. Having been loaned out recently, the playmaker has struggled to cement his place in the Sundowns setup upon return. Transfer rumors continue to swirl around his future. In the goalkeeping department, Jody February was overlooked, with Williams joined by veterans Dennis Onyango and Riyad Peters. February remains fourth in the pecking order, and his exclusion speaks to the depth Sundowns poses between the posts. Young defenders Zogom Dunyelwa and Kiken Johans also missed the trip. Both players have found a regular game time hard to come by, a challenge compounded by Sundowns' considerable defensive depth. Johannes, at 24, was seen as a possible inclusion, but ultimately didn't make the cut. The Sundowns squad are goalkeepers Ronan Williams, Dennis Onyango, Riyad Peters, defenders Khuliso Mudau, Thapelo Morena, Obrumo Diba, Divine Lunga, Grant Kekana, Malibongwe Khoza, Mothobi Mvala, Yano Cupido, Musa Libusa, midfielders Marcelo Allen, Jaden Adams, Themba Zwane, Siphelele Mkhulise, Neon Mayema, Teboho Mokoena, Batusi Obas, forwards Peter Shalul, Lucas Ribeiro Costa, Ikram Reyners, Other Sales, Tashrik Matthews, Lebo Motiba, Kutlwano Letlaku. With a balanced squad filled with international experience and domestic, the Sundowns will be aiming to make history and bring pride to South African football on the global stage. Meanwhile, the FIFA Club World Cup bound Mamelodi Sundowns have unveiled their new kit for the global showpiece set to be staged in the United States. The home jersey has accommodated Sundowns' traditional yellow colors and features a yellow base with mountain blue, green, and white details. In the case of the goalkeeper jersey, a purple base with yellow and mountain blue details have been implemented. The sportswear manufacturer said about Sundowns colors, Zwane's evening sky hits differently. In the Puma Times a Kit Super collaboration, the Mamelodi Sundowns home kit does the same, blending warm, sunlight tones with cooler shades to reflect the club's signature style. The result captures the rhythm, energy and joy of Sundowns football, known locally as Shoe Shine and Piano. The launch of the new kits have also been done for other clubs sponsored by Puma, Manchester City, Borussia Dortmund, Al Hilal FC Salzburg, Palmeiras, and Monterrey. These clubs will also take part in the Club World Cup. On the other hand, Sundowns goalkeeper Ronan Williams believes they have what it takes to get out of their group at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup in the US. He said, "We believe we have enough to get out of the group, which will be huge for the club. When you look at the group, there are big names out there and it is going to be tough, but we believe we can get out of it. We want to show people who Sundowns is at the competition." And further stated that we have used the recent few days of rest to reflect on the Champions League loss through our chats, and most importantly, it was important to stay away from each other because we played many games and traveled a lot this season. The past 5 days away from each other helped us to re-energize and get the spark back. It was devastating to take that defeat, but we have to go again. As Mamelodi Sundowns, there's always another opportunity and it does not get any bigger than this. We can't be mourning for too long. We have to be put up for it because this is probably the biggest club competition. When we returned to training last week, you could see the energy and spark is back, and those 5 days were good for us. It would have been perfect to wrap up the Champions League and go to the Club World Cup as continental champions. We could have gone with confidence, but now we have to dig deep. It was probably the hardest defeat in my career and for the team because of how much we sacrificed and how hard we worked to get there. Now we said we would go all the way and do it because now we have to go back to the drawing board again. We have to lift ourselves. No one is going to do it for us. While people are on holidays, we are on another flight, and that is how amazing it is to be part of Sundowns because they are always looking for the next tournament. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.